Hi, this is Nicole with the Nellis Group. Welcome to 3423 Brookwood Drive in the heart of Fairfax City. This two-level Rambler has over 2,600 square feet. Join us today. The owners truly love the renovations they did in their kitchen and were able to enjoy them. You have the beautiful granite, the undermount sink, this dark cabinetry, all stainless steel appliances by Maytag, and what I love is the pantry with the pull-out drawers. Wonderful hardwood floors in your new dining room. Ample sunlight that just pours in. You can't beat it. Simple modern chandelier with Edison bulbs. Too many features to describe in this living room. 6 oversized windows face your outside yard space. The focal point of this room is your painted brick along with your oversized mantel. Generously sized primary suite with hardwood flooring, a ceiling fan, fresh paint, and 4 windows. The lower level of this home is spectacular. Brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring, recessed lighting, built-in cabinetry. The eye-catching rustic brick on the lower level is such a pleasure to view. You will also enjoy on those cold winter nights your wood stove. Right off the dining room is this inviting outdoor space. Plenty of room for grilling on your oversized patio, along with the amount of massive green space to entertain on. One thing you don't always find in these homes is an outdoor shed. This one will hold all your tools. Thank you for joining us today. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.